Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a super duper rushed intro because my Uber's outside, but I just want to say welcome to my channel. I'm gonna go out with my friends right now. Here's a little glimpse of my fit. Hopefully I do a outfit of the day while I'm out, and hopefully I get good content today, please. All right guys, see you in a few. I'm thinking of getting the matcha lychee lemonade. It's this one. What are you thinking of getting?
This, but add some sugar to it.
Yeah. Sprinkles. I feel like my butt crack is out.
Like I feel it out. You look so cute though. Baddie. More light hair though. Right? I did that myself. You guys. The rings she gave me, these rings. This is Chris.
Leslie made stickers. Love that.
Yeah, that's tough, man. This is vote for Chris. And you'll see a lot of this.
Hey.
That rhymes.
So cute. Oh, and she made names. Oh my goodness. Look, it's me. Cute. Here's all the stickers I chose. A lot of Tokidoki, some Damo, Psycho Bunny, an Emo Bunny, Zine. I think this is my favorite. Just a lot of nostalgic. She also did these little monthly coffee and matcha day cards. It's so cute. Look, I got a Herald style.
It's vodka, straight no gay.
What did you guys get?
Oh, wait.
Doodle ball. Nice. We got a lot. Okay. Oh, bunny. This.
That's all of it, bro.
Bunny.
I got a lot of strawberry stuff.
Yeah, that's like so much strawberry.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Bruh. Oh my god, Leslie, you really did a good job.
Some Hello Kitty.
Wow. Yay, customized.
Every time we go to get some coffee or matcha, we just punch one of these.
I like it. Hey.
Let's take a shot.
Not that bad.
It's really good.
Tastes refreshing, but it also tastes like a vegetable. I don't know what vegetable it is. That's for Eric over there, Lorena, and Mitzi. We're just missing Ron over there. Mr. Ron. How was your matcha drink?
Really good.
Refreshing?
Yeah.
How was your drink, sir?
Very ginger.
Ginger ale? And your? I guess it's our both. Cheers. Eric? Lorena?
Overall drink. Very lemony.
Period. Her another matcha girl over here.
And you.
Oh.
And then Leslie.
No. First sip of the day.
Yum. Delicious.
Good, yeah. I feel like I should be at the beach right now.
Yeah. That's how it feels with this too. This feels like a beach drink. Oh. Why are you making that face?
I don't know what I'm supposed to taste like.
I'm like, oh. It is really cold. You know how people say it's hot as balls? What do they say when it's cold? When it's cold as...
I say it's as cold as witch's coochie.
cold as a witch's spot.
It's bursty out here.
We're outside. Oh, this is shit. Oh, boy.
Oh, we're going this way.
Oh, we're going this way, guys. I'm just gonna record for her. I'm her camera woman. Tell us. Degrees in Washington, D.C. And well, look, what's today's date? January 23rd.
My face is freezing. Tomorrow there's like a winter storm.
That's what they say, but they lie. The weather out here lies, guys. Don't believe it.
You never know, bro. You never know.
You look so cute, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you. You too. Look. No.
Yes.
No. So cutesy. You're literally Hachi and I'm Nana.
Yeah, bro.
That's so cute.
Oh my gosh. But look at her fur. I'm in love with it. Hopefully she takes it to New York so I can use it.
I will.
Because guys, it's me. I would always want to use her stuff. She dresses amazing.
I want to use your stuff.
She's an inspo. What?
Yeah, I do. You know, I stole your pajama pants.
What?
Those are actually the pajama pants I fell down the stairs with. So it's your fault.
Oh, dang. That music. I'm so sorry. To my pajamas. What pajamas are they?
The gray and black checkers. Like that.
Guys, this is our first one.
Imagine it wasn't famous.
3 hours later.
Hey. I'm back home now and my lip is busted. I am wearing Christmas pajamas because they're my coziest pajamas, okay? I love them and I don't care if it's not Christmas anymore. I'm gonna still wear them. I look crusty. I'm gonna take my makeup off now. And I have Friends playing. I love Friends. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I honestly re-listen to older music more than I listen to newer music. Same with shows and movies. I just feel like I recycle all my comfort movies. I don't know what that says about me. Bro, I love when I get home from a night out, having fun, and then I get home and I take my makeup off. I use the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water with rose water, all-in-one hydrating cleanses, plus removes makeup, plus hydrates, no rinse, no rubbing, no residue, face, lips, eyes, all skin types, even sensitive. And it's cruelty-free. Ooh, I got some energy in me today. Then I take my little cotton rounds that I keep in this super cute jar that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls in like 2023. But I noticed that they have these often during the holiday season. When I take off my makeup, I try not to rub too hard. I believe it's common knowledge. Don't put so much pressure on your face. That's what I'm really trying to say. What I don't do though, and it might be kind of gross to some of you guys, I leave my eyebrow makeup on. And I've been doing that since middle school. Don't judge too hard. I don't want to redo my eyebrows all over again. I'm sorry. I just want to save some time. And when I clean my makeup, I like to make sure I clean my neck too. I'm not even lit, guys. I'm just vibing. And boom. Oh wait, I missed a spot. With the exception of my eyebrows and some of my eyeliner that I didn't take off and some of my mascara that didn't come off, my makeup is off.
2 days later.
Hey, so it's a few days later. I needed more content for this video. So here I am doing just that. I have nothing planned today. We had a snowstorm, so everything has been pretty chill vibes. I know you guys rarely see me with my hair up, but tomorrow is hair wash day and updo will suffice for now. Because if it wasn't up, it looks really gross. Y'all, I made vegan horchata yesterday. Mexican horchata, not Salvadorian horchata, because Salvadorian horchata, you need so much more other ingredients. But I had everything for the Mexican horchata, so I made that yesterday. And I'm going to make myself a horchata latte right now, with some breakfast. So I'm gonna take you guys along. So here I am making coffee with my favorite coffee. It's Java Nation coffee. It's a small business. I love it so much. I'm finally getting better at making my own coffee at home. I'm currently obsessed with horchata lattes, iced lattes. So I had to find a good recipe on TikTok, which I will link down below for you guys. It's so good. It's so quick and easy. As you can see, I love cinnamon so much. I always add extra. Y'all, this is currently my hyperfixation breakfast meal. It's just Trader Joe's jalapeno chicken sausage, 1 chickpea tortilla, 3 eggs, and I make my own jalapeno and cilantro sauce.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so now I'm in my planner currently planning, and I have so many cute little pens and markers. Right now I am in May. May is my birth month. I have some marker bleed through, but that's okay because, you know, we got so many stickers that we can just... I decided to do my birth month pink and green. It was already pink, so I just added some green with some green marker. And on my birthday, I put hairstyles and a cute little Tokidoki cupcake sticker, and I added a little flame to it. Mr. Harold, all zoomed in. Like, tell me this is not the most perfect sticker for my birthday. That's how it's looking so far. Since we were talking about Harry Styles,
I'm her bestie. I'm her bestie.
if you managed to get Harry Style tickets for MSG, you lucky son of a... Nah, I will be sad for a few days. I will be sad for a few days. But something in me, I just know somehow, some way, I will be seeing Harry Styles this year. I will be seeing Harry Styles this year. I'm going to see Harry Styles this year. The universe will bless me, okay? I don't know at this moment how, but it's gonna happen. And when it does happen, I will record it. Back to what I was doing. My outfit today, this top is thrifted, and then these sweats are my go-to sweats. They're from Addicted. I just love how they fit on me. And look at my socks. They're Valentine socks. My boyfriend got these for me like about 2 years ago. Low-key guys, my stomach is like hurting. So I think this might be turning into a what I eat in a day, because y'all, I have no idea what else to film today, and I need content for this video. Now I am eating some blueberries, some frozen blueberries, my favorite way to eat blueberries. I just buy organic blueberries. I wash them as soon as I buy them, and then I put them in the freezer, and I eat them sometimes by themselves, or I eat them with Greek yogurt. My boyfriend just got me these roses the other day, and they look so perfect with the vase that he thrifted for me. Not my hair extensions in the corner, but it just looks so cute and I wanted to show you guys. But yeah, I have nothing else planned for today at all. At all. I love blueberries. Oh, look at this cute little boy.
It's just a baby.
I feel like people be so confused why I call him Haley. Some people don't know that we named him after one of Tyler the Creator's personas, Wolf Haley. His whole name is actually Wolf Haley. His first name is Wolf, but we just calling him Haley. He's a little cranky right now. Okay.
And hoping I'm always there.
Bro thinks this is for him. I'm about to work out today. It's not yours, but I can check Google to see if you can have this. 1 second. Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. I'm about to work out. I'm gonna do legs. I love these little Go-Go Squeeze organic applesauce. They're so good. I love them. I get them every time I grocery shop. Nothing crazy.
Tomorrow.
Not me all red and shit. So it's actually the next day. I just came back from the gym. It's like 11 something p.m. I just did cardio today. I did good old 12-3-30. I want to show you guys my fit.
Adam Sandler? What are you doing here?
Waiting for them to play Gangnam Style.
I don't know, but me, I think I look awesome. With my headphones on, even cooler. Imagine me on the treadmill like...
Yeah, I wanna dance with me. I wanna dance AG. I wanna dance with George.
Also, I just got on my period. I feel so disgusting. I feel nauseous. I feel so nasty. But I pushed myself today to go to the gym. It's been a little harder for me to go to the gym recently. Let's just say that. But I went today and I'm so happy about it. I'm gonna show you guys my fit again. Some gray baggy sweats. the shirt I thrifted. Then I have my New Balances with like blue. Which realistically, I need to stop wearing these shoes when I do cardio. They're not that good on my feet. I have literally 2 pairs of Hokas. Every time I take them to the gym to do cardio, I feel like I'm doing too much. I feel like Hokas are perfect for like running outside, walking outside. But I don't know why when I wear my Hokas while in the gym doing cardio, I feel silly because my Hokas look like building blocks. But my Hokas are so cute. Actually, let me show you. Wait, I didn't realize how dirty they were. I mean, I do run outside with these, so I miss running season. Well, actually, I really miss the springtime, like peak spring, like running outside, going to my favorite parks and just have these babies on and take in the sun and take in the trees and the wind. I can't wait. I can't wait for the spring. But yeah, these are one pair of my Hokas. These are my favorite pairs, pink and green with blue. Love these. They are dirty though. And I wear these at the gym sometimes and I just feel silly because they look so big and I'm like so short. These are my more casual Hoka shoes. I don't really wear these often, but they're really cute. I rather walk in these, to be honest. These are better walking shoes. Here's the difference. You see what I mean? Like this is big. And this one is like more chill. That was my little Hoka segment. I actually need to wrap this video up. So this is my ending. But I did buy 3 things on TikTok shop. Raise your hand if you know who Paloma is and you know everything about the NYX OG Cold Brew lip liner lure. I got the NYX OG Brew and I have a little bit on it on my lips right now, but it's obviously like all like pretty much gone. Honestly, even though it's not exactly like the original one, I really like it a lot. And it does have like a red undertone. I personally love that. This is definitely now one of my favorite lip liners. Another thing that I got is another Roomba push-up. What are these called? I honestly forgot what these are called. But this is my second purchase. The first ones that I ever bought were amazing. They did so good, but I completely messed them up. I'll link all these things too. This is how they look. They're basically just sticky inserts and it just like, you know, I got that because I actually will be on moves this year and I will need the girls to be up because my girls are non-existent. Like, so I need that. All my tops are gonna fit so hot, okay? It's gonna look like I just got them done. Last thing I got is something that I've been meaning to get for a long time, but I keep forgetting and it's just been sitting in my cart for a very long time. I finally got this t-shirt. I got it in a size large. It says protect the dolls. I'm so excited for it to not be cold so I can wear that, go to my local cafe shops, wear that t-shirt with literally that bag is what I'm thinking of wearing it with. I was gonna get like a crop top version and like give a very Charlie XCX when she wore it type vibe, but I much rather get a large so I can wear it to the gym too. Why am I flaking? Is it my moisturizer? Even though I'm gonna shower right now. It's kind of bothering me. What if like the whole ending is just my forehead being so dry? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Boost this video please for me. Comment a lot please. I love comments. It's my favorite part of the videos. Literally comment anything at all. Even the word anything is fine with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you tons. Thank you so much for the love in my last few videos. Also guys,